Alright, so taking a video here. I figured I'd get some exercise in while I was talking to you guys. This is our farm. We'll do some up of that later, but I'm gonna take a walk in the woods. So, hope you guys are doing all right. That's my father-in-law's car. It's our creepy swing set. The kids wanted one in the woods, so now it looks like something from the zombie apocalypse. You can hear all kinds of cool spring birds singing. Red-winged blackbirds are back. Song sparrows are back. The destination today, I'm going to go to a place I call Helms Deep. It's just a cool place in the woods with some cliffs. So this is our back lawn. You can see kind of a nice view. Doesn't look very pretty now. We haven't really gotten to raking yet because we've been working on other stuff. Building a new chicken coop for the chickens. Alright. Oh, you know what? I didn't start my timer. Hold on. There, I had to start my Fitbit. This is where I get our firewood. Usually this is the back trail. Take my tractor back here. Don't mind my gasping for breath. We had a lot of trees break down in the ice storm we had earlier this year. You can see that. Ooh, I see a big tree down. That's a good sign. Lots of firewood for next year here, it looks like. You know you're old when you get excited about firewood. Anyway. On the other side of that ridge is a huge horse farm. But they get really cranky about people trespassing, so we won't go that way. That's a nice tree down. Alright, we're going to cut across here. There's a dead tree. I wonder if I can push it over without getting myself killed on camera. Let's see. Hold on a minute. Nope. I'll take the chainsaw. Man. This fall when I went to look for wood, there wasn't anything down. Now there's all kinds of stuff down. Alright. So there's the house down there. We're in the woods we were just talking about. Everything's still pretty wet from the rain yesterday, so makes it a little bit slippery. Wow, there's a lot of trees down. There's another couple. Maybe if we're stuck here through May, I'll get some firewood in the spring instead of the fall like I normally do because I don't have time in the spring. Alright. So hopefully you guys had a chance to look at the video yesterday. I haven't been able to find anything on Edpuzzle, so I'm probably going to, once we get back in today, I'm going to try and make a video for you guys to review before your evolution thing I do on Castle. Alright. Coming up on Helms Deep. Oh, we got a bridge. Not a bridge. Brook to cross first, it looks like. Nothing big enough for any fish. Not that I like fish anyway, but not a fan of fish. Alright, let's get across. Ferns are coming up, as you see there. And this is Helm's Deep. So you can see it's a cool little place to sit this time of year. Not so much in the summer when all the mosquitoes are out, but I think I'm going to crawl up this side instead of the other side. Anyway, hope you get an idea what it looks like. Alright, now I'm really going to be panting. Kind of a steep hill. If I don't fall, it'll be a miracle. So I want to show you something here real quick. We talked about this before. The difference between moss and lichen. You can kind of see right here. There's some moss. I'm sorry. This is some moss right here. And that's lichen. So right there on the same rock, you got a plant and you got a fungus. Here's more of that right here. Moss on the tree and lichen on the tree. Pretty cool sometimes how nature decides to hang out together. I hope this isn't as lame as it sounds, but I was really getting sick of sitting in a chair on my computer, so I thought I'd do something different. All right. So we're at the top of Helm's Deep. Helm's Deep, of course, if maybe as a kid you watched Lord of the Rings. Comes from that. It's like a big fortress of rock. One thing I don't have is the horn. Anyway, there's the backside of Helm's Deep. My in-laws, my other in-laws, live on the other side of the woods there. Let me get to the edge here. And of course in the summer you don't see this because you don't see it from the road over there because all the trees are leaved up. And there's the backside of Helm's Deep. More rocks over there. Not as impressive as the front. Let me see if I can get down without dying. This is all really loose shale, so you really can't climb it per se. Only on the side. You know what? I'll take some pictures on the bottom. I just wanted to give you guys a little tour of the backwoods where I get all my firewood and stuff, and usually come out this time of year and in the fall when it's not too buggy. Winter sometimes, but usually you don't see anything in the winter. And that's it. This is coming up on 9 minutes long, and this will be the first of many, I guess. Hopefully it'll be warmer next time. Alright, I miss you guys. Take care, and Thursday at 10 o'clock is the next Google Meet. Alright? Peace out.